May fish guys, pero wala tayong ilaw guys. Yun guys, panoorin nyo guys. Guys, kanyo guys, may piso guys. Guys, narinig nyo guys. Yan, marami. May ibon dito guys, pero wala tayong ilaw ng camera natin guys kasi lubat. Ito guys, ito may ibon to guys, dalawa. Guys, oh. May ibon to guys, pero wala tayong ilaw guys kasi lubat yung camera natin. 10% lang, hindi makakuha sa pailaw. Update ko kayo guys guys, mga asandi. Tingnan natin, kailangan makapull ito yung camera natin.